Hi, so welcome to the Holiday Inn Express, where we staying the second night from our two-day trip to San Diego. So first night we stayed in a hotel on a waterfront that I showed previous. It was Manchester Grand Hyatt, and it was one night at there to oceanfront and ocean view, like all this stuff. So now we are staying in heart, like in a downtown heart, kind of like this. So we were upgraded to the suite as our elite member of our IG group. So this is it. This is the room. So we have like little living area here, like cute table, the couch, little couch, and this view, and you see classic TV here with all this stuff. So it's quite cute. So huge mirror that I so much like. All right, so and what's inside? This is bathroom. This is like super small bathroom, I'd say. I mean, yeah, but very cozy and actually clean. So IG group has different hotels, and this one is like, I guess, the simplest one, Holiday Inn Express. So I believe it's about 3 stars place. The previous one was like about four and a half, something like that, Hyatt. So we decided to stay in 2 different places from our 2-day trip to San Diego, because I'm a member of a Hyatt group and IG group. So one was in Hyatt, now it's IG, and this is like all this classy stuff. I mean, this is super small and super cute, but I enjoyed previous hotel when it was like all the way from Balmain stuff. So this is kind of great mirror. I like it. I like that it's like a white one, not like yellowish. So shower is pretty cute and cozy inside, and I would say clean. Maybe it's shower head, not that like clean, because as you can see it's kind of even greenish. I mean, but I don't really care. I like that this is downtown, and I like that this has a balcony. So this is shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So feels like they all full, hopefully. Okay, we'll see. I don't really care about it. So this is it. Bathroom. This is the room itself. This is pretty good size room. So all this, like a fan, it's kind of like a closet but without doors. So all this classic stuff. And this is a bed. So it's good quality, I mean good size bed, I would say. So this is it, and we have a classic table, and also we have again TV, but here is much bigger TV, microwave, all this coffee and tea stuff from Keurig, which I do enjoy have in every stay there staying. So refrigerator, and let's see the most important part of this place, I mean of any place where we're staying, is obviously view. Let's see what this room has to offer. So I like it. I mean, it's like a lot of view here. Let's just open all this. Let's open all these curtains and see what it's all about. Okay, this is cute. I mean, look at this view, all these palm trees. I don't know, some beautiful building on front with all these different flags from all over the world. So all these buildings, and the best part of this room for me is balcony. So let's go on to see the balcony. Okay, the best part, I think we have two balconies here. So this is balcony number 1. Look at this, look at the view. And this is a cool balcony. I mean, it's very cozy and super hot today. I mean, it's California, so what do you expect? It's like a southern part of California. It's almost, I would say, Mexico here, so climate a little bit different from LA, and obviously it's super different from San Francisco. So this is it. This is our balcony in this beautiful room, and you see how cool is this. Yeah, actually I do like this balcony. Okay, and the most exciting part, we have second balcony here. Okay, let's open this up. This is crazy to have two balconies in one room, but I do like it. So many curtains, and this is the second balcony. Look at this. Yeah, so much, so cool. And look at this. Look at the view and all these palm trees, all these San Diego coziness here. This is cool because this is like kind of like the simplest hotel I've ever been. I mean, I stayed in a lot of different Holiday Inns Express, like Holiday Inn Express or Holiday Inn Suite and stuff. So, and they all like super simplest. And I was like throughout like all the US in different parts of this country. And this one I would say the best, because this has balconies and this is super cozy, and this suite has two balconies. What could be like the best part of being in easiest hotel, but have this amazing views and the balconies that you can take your morning coffee. So hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time in different place.